Hello, and welcome to our social media how-to series. My name is Brooke Schlatter, and I'm a junior from Perrysburg, Ohio, studying marketing and international business. I'm also a Schmidhorst College of Business student ambassador and social media intern for Schmidhorst College Dean Ray Braun. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Instagram on an iPhone with the most current operating system. Unlike many other social media platforms, Instagram works best on your phone, so we'll show you how to make an account from your own phone. On Instagram, the Schmidhorst College posts student spotlights, information on organizations, and current happenings. We also have a lot of fun pictures and videos of students, alumni, the Maurer Center, and Schmidhorst College events. I'll also show you how to follow the Schmidhorst College, post your own pictures, and edit your account settings. Let's get started. First, go to the App Store on your mobile device and type in Instagram into the search bar. You will find the app as the first option. On the right-hand side, there is an option Open. If you do not have this app already, you will need to download it. Once the app is downloaded, hit the Open button. Press the blue Create New Account button to get started. You will be taken to a page where you can either put in your email or phone number, whichever you prefer. After this, click the blue Next button. A confirmation code will be sent to either your phone number or email. This is a requirement to verify it is actually you creating the account and that nobody else is posing as you. Nowadays, many social media platforms use this tool to keep you safe. It may take a moment to come in, but once it does, enter it into the box and click Next. Next, add your first and last name and click the blue Next button. Then, create a password and click the new blue Next button again. You will then need to enter your birthday, which is required to open your account. Next, Instagram will generate a username for you based off of your first and last name. If you don't like this username, click the Change Username option. However, if you do like it, just click the Sign Up button. Congratulations, you now have your own Instagram account. The second icon on the bottom of your screen is the search option. Click the option and type in BGSU Biz. Tap on the profile once it pops up. To follow the account, select the blue follow button on the screen. You're now following the Schmidhorst College. Whenever we post about something, it will pop up on your timeline for you to like or comment on. Now I will show you how to make your own Instagram post. First, go to the Home button in the bottom left corner and select the plus button in the top right. You will see your photo/video library pop up with your most recent media. Please note that Instagram requires you to include a picture or video in your post. Tap a photo or video and click the blue Next button in the top corner of your screen. This will take you to a screen to select a filter for your post. A filter is a photo editing feature where you can change the color of the picture. If you prefer not to have a filter, you can click once again the blue Next button in the top right corner. After this, you will have the option to either write a caption, tag friends, or add a location. To tag a friend, click the Tag People option on your screen. Tap the person you would like to tag and search for their name in the search bar. Once you find their account, click the name and drag the tag to that person. Once you're finished, click the blue Share button in the top upper right corner. Congratulations, you have made an Instagram post. This will appear on your feed and profile where your followers are able to see, like, and share. Congratulations, you now have your very own Instagram account. Be sure to stay updated with the Schmidhorst College student ambassadors by following @BGSU SCoB ambassadors. I look forward to seeing you on Instagram.